Use discount code JACOVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video.
Oh, this will go up? Oh, okay. Wow. Woo. Looks really good. Wow. Really loud. Those stunt walls are annoying, man.
I understand.
What's your name and what's in here, man?
Mike. That is 6 DB 3512Rs in a 2-to-1 fourth. 2 of the Korean 20Ks. Each one running at 0.6. 240 amp hour of lithium, which I need a whole lot more of. And then that what you see right there, the 180.4.
Okay.
That's what's running the highs, which currently is just 4 6.5s and 4 tweeters. I desperately need more highs.
Okay.
So,
Nice. And you said they're the 3 subs per amp at 0.6.
3 subs per amp at 0.6.
Okay. Wow.
Yeah.
Who built this? It looks really good.
I did 100%. I didn't let
Nice.
anybody else put a screw in.
Wow, nice job. I like, how thick is the plexi in the back?
1.5.
1.5? Wow.
Yeah.
Man, I was curious to see because that is like the big size blade of it.
You can
see
lay your
everything.
hand on it full tilt. It doesn't even vibrate.
Wow, that's awesome. Good job. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. Appreciate the info. Yeah, we'll put it up. Whatever's loudest for you.
I can do loud lows or I can do loud highs. I got really good bandwidth.
We'll do one of both. Let's do one of both. Yeah, let's do it. I love the lows, but also it's good to be able to hear both. It likes what? High teens to low 40s or?
Plays best from about 28 to 38.
Okay.
Right around there.
Yes, sir. Wow. And the SPL score you got out of this?
I have only metered it at home. I've never actually ran it through a lane here.
Yeah.
5988.
Okay.
So I've never actually got a 60.
Oh, they
Got a 60.
wow.
It sounds like it should be.
I'd say the 60, it's probably 160. It's just a certain, for some reason.
If I put the meter in the kick, it is.
Yeah.
On the window, it's not.
Yeah. Here's a 60, it's just where you put the meter and how the pressure's going to one area.
Yeah.
Gonna start a cap.
Thank you very much, man.
You want to hear one more low?
Yeah. Play one more low.
Kinda low, not real low.
Okay.
This is 25 to 29.
Okay. Nice job.
Thank you.
Really clean, and it doesn't fall off around that mid-20 to mid-30s.
I didn't know it for numbers. I built it strictly for demos.
Yeah, really musical. You don't fall off either. Nice slope
Yeah.
up. Nice job. It looks really good too.
I appreciate it.
Are those the 3-inch or 3.5 or 4? What size foil are these subs?
3.5.
3.5. Okay. Very nice. Thank you very much. Nice to meet you, man.
Thank you.
Woo. Really impressive.
Are you eating cereal?
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOVIRAL when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.